This video covers the process of crimping a jack for an ATMOX sensor. ATMOX sensors come with jack attached. These instructions are for replacing a jack or when running your own cable. To crimp a new jack, use an RJ11 crimper tool, cable, and phone jack. Unlock the crimping tool. Take the RJ11 cable. Make a clean, straight cut. Insert the end into crimper until it hits the cutting guide. Slide the tool back and forth. Pull the cable away from tool to expose the colored cables. Remove the small piece of sheathing in the tool. Hold the jack with gold threads facing up. The black cable must be on your left. Sensor will not work if colors are backwards. Insert the cable into the jack. Insert the jack into the plug holder. Squeeze down to make connection, then release the jack to remove the cable. For additional assistance, visit us at atmox.com or call us at 704-248-2858.